How would you design your home on a huge piece of land around 170,000 square feet? When you have so much space, how much of it do you actually live in and use? Inspired by classical Suzhou gardens, this extraordinary home is a microcosm of the natural world. Composed of a modern luxury private mansion and a separated personal entertainment annex called the Chalet, a flowing koi pond that surrounds the entire 170,000 square feet premises that is a home to a total of 1,000 koi fishes, surrounded by largely curated landscaping. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. On today's episode, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of a home in China with stunning landscape design and modern architecture. Join us in our new series to showcase extraordinary homes globally, capturing good designs and sharing their stories. Today's story lies in how 4 acres of land were transformed into a borrowed landscape for a family home, integrating nature and architecture. In modern home designs, this is a road less traveled, conveying a desire to follow nature. A path winds among lush greenery, leading to a wide stretch surrounded by tranquil water. A bonsai tree gracefully arches over the water. Still water mirrors the surrounding green, extending their visuals to a staged, majestic entrance to the White House. True to its name, the White House has an elegant facade of white walls and glass. An image of serenity, the glass reflects the green forms of nature. A cantilever roof creates a grand sight of the home floating amidst nature and water, opening up to the interior to the landscape. Tall grand doors beacon us in. The impression of a well-curated museum greets us with staged art pieces and elegant displays. The living room is a minimalist composition of white ceiling and flooring contrasted by dark furniture and mahogany walls. The dark colors bring much needed warmth and contrast to the white. What's unique about this living room are the huge full-height glass doors, allowing nature to spill indoors. Complementing this, the white tiles from indoors to outdoors further blur the boundaries.
Hello everyone, I'm designer Nick. I've been in the design industry for nearly 30 years. Each year, I gain new insights into design. Why is the interior design here relatively minimal? Because the outdoor is stunning, so all the visual focus is directed outward. This glass here is extremely heavy. It's because the glass is so large. We customize it specifically. Manually pushing it back and forth was too labor intensive, so we install an automatic system. This is the White House. So, given it's a white building, I wanted to make the roof and floor light in color, while the middle is darker. The middle's dark tone gives weight to the space's atmosphere. It anchors the entire environment.
An open living and dining area creates an uninterrupted view of nature, enhancing spatial quality. A spacious Western-style dining area becomes the closest point to nature in this home, allowing you to dine among greenery. In similar design identity, the space is minimalist with white ceiling and flooring. Darker dining furniture grounds the entire space and accents the surrounding green.
All the spaces are designed for healing. It's about your state of mind and your emotions healing within this space. In a space like this, after spending time in it, you'll find yourself letting go of all trivial concerns.
Deeper in the home is a Chinese-style dining area. While the Western-style dining provides for social dinners, this creates a more intimate dining experience for the internal family. What's unique about this round marble table is its sheer size and how a rotating Lazy Susan is built in seamlessly in matching marble. On the other end of the White House is a relaxing tea lounge with a grand piano. The wall designs with built-in glass displays act as a divider and teases the space. With reflections of the greenery outside, the glass brings nature and light into the art. The tea lounge is an eclectic mix of contemporary shapes paired with the rustic textures of wood. The open shelves and wooden slates creates an interesting dialogue of vertical and horizontal elements. Leading to the first floor, a grand staircase stands in stark white. Above, a skylight draws natural daylight in. Made of glass, the handrails visually extend the entire space seamlessly.
The design of this staircase is quite meaningful. Originally, the handrail was supposed to be placed on the side, but I intentionally shifted it inward. It adds a decorative element, and having the handrail in the center is safer too.
The master bedroom is in minimalist style, prioritizing the stunning scenery with a generous stretch of balcony. A view of the Black House peeking out amidst lush green greets us. Every window in this house frames this beautiful green garden. With minimalist interiors, this draws eyes to the focal point of the scenery, bringing the lush landscape into the bedrooms, the bathrooms, and the gym, and even the sauna. As spaces professionally curated to a lifestyle of wellness and health, the sauna and gym don serene and warm wooden tones. The sauna's dark stone walls curate an intimacy of a sanctuary. In contrast to the minimalist rooms, the child's room is refreshingly playful. It is a well-curated playground of fun physical activities with a vibrant climbing wall, built-in slide, and hanging chair. The steps also function as storage space in a clever space-saving hack. Running through the koi pond, a white path leads us to the opposite side, where a black house stands in contrast. This is called the Chalet. Vibrant greenery frame the entrance to the Black House, where growing trees climb upward through a circular hole carved in the roof.
For the White House project, while planning the layout, the client jokingly said, "Now that I've given you this large space, I'm curious to see how you'll manage to fill it. Filling it well takes some skills." Once the space was planned out, the basic requirements were met. But afterward, we felt the space wasn't enough. So we added an entertainment space in this house to make up for the White House's limitations.
The Black House, also known as the Chalet, is curated as an entertainment hub to complement the family lifestyle in the White House. Throughout the Black House, the ceiling of dark wooden slates and the tile flooring extends to the exterior. Similar to the White House, this blurs the boundaries between the nature and indoors. In this house, the landscape becomes the art decorating the spaces. The main dining area dons a classically stylish look with consistent dark furniture. A mahogany dining table imbues the cool space with warm contrasts. Serene outdoor lounges and outdoor dining options with minimalist forms provide relaxing spaces to connect with nature. For entertainment, a luxurious private theater creates a cozy and modern ambience. A second tea room in the Black House provides a different, more mystical vibe with rich dark wooden textures and atmospheric lighting. Next to it, a whiskey room composed of luxurious black leather and dark reflective walls creates a cavernous ambience. The masculine energy paired with soft focus lighting adds an intriguing calmness. Atop a small hill, a path from the Black House leads to a tea pavilion. An exposed roof with modern rattan chairs create a rustic yet modern feel. The combination produces a warm and natural interior ambience. This space is characterized by a concise and simple design language as a holistic retreat in the midst of nature.
When we were designing this space, the hillside featured a pump station. From a water circulation system, when creating the scenery, for instance, viewing outward from this black building, we felt it lacked a certain architectural element, like looking at a landscape painting from a distance, a house hidden in the mountains. So we built a small tea pavilion on the hill. From there, you can view sights of the fish and scenery. As is the highest point, this addition was something extra. Now the house on the hill feels like a crucial piece within the space, an irreplaceable chess piece. It enriches the space, adding a sense of vitality, combining all the elements in harmony. The view from up there is beautiful, and you never want to leave when you're having tea. The light constantly changes, making it fascinating. These three small buildings together create a small town. In this tranquil space, modernity is blended with an oriental touch and elements of the past across this 20-acre area. I don't want to follow trends. I wonder if I can create my own unique path within Oriental aesthetics. To be imitated by others, that is what I want to achieve. With confidence, not just ethnic pride, but personal confidence. That's crucial. This Oriental space, you could see it as modern, but look closer and it's deeply Oriental. You can tell it's made by a Chinese person. The structure and flow embody that.
Nick's vision shows us that with thoughtful design, a huge piece of land can be transformed into a stunning living canvas. This home celebrates the changing beauty of nature through the 4 seasons, healing its residents through its spaces. That is the beauty of landscaping. Instead of trying to maximize the number of rooms in a home, homeowners should also include spaces for effective landscaping. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seed. If you enjoyed today's episode, just a simple click on the subscribe button. Make sure you won't miss out on more exclusive and captivating episodes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next week.